Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Eagle Inn Sumter. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 5 minutes drive from Shaw Air Force Base, this motel features an outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is provided to all guests. A microwave and a small refrigerator are found in each simply decorated room at the Eagle Inn. Rooms are equipped with a work desk and ironing facilities. A 24-hour reception and vending machines are available to the guests of the Sumter Eagle Inn. Air conditioning is found throughout the motel. Central Sumter is located less than 10 minutes drive from the motel. Manchester State Forest is 12 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.